Okay, here's the other option for 4 high. I have it titled wing denial because we dribble over to the wing instead of passing. So A has the ball. All right. B is being denied really hard. They cannot get it. So A dribbles over here. B cuts through, pauses on the block. Once the screen and roll action happens here, B will cut back out to the corner. So we're just eliminating that pass and cut through from A. A's just going to dribble over. B's going to cut through and go out. As A gets down here, C is going to come over and set a ball screen. All that action is the same. Going to be a ball screen on the wing. C will roll to the basket. A comes off the screen. Same backdoor action over here. E sets up this backdoor screen, rolls up. After D sets that screen, they roll to the basket. It's the same thing as if the ball was passed to the wing, but it's denied, so we just dribble over. All the action is the same. I'm going to show it to you from the other side. That way you can see it. I want to make sure that you understand what's going on. Okay, we're on the other side of the court. A has the basketball. E is being denied, so A dribbles at E hard. E cuts to the block, waits for this screen and roll action here, then they break out to the corner. So A dribbles over. E cuts through, they pause on that block. D comes over, sets a ball screen. E breaks out. After D sets the ball screen, they cut to the basket. A dribbles over, comes off the screen, and then we're looking for either a jump shot here, pass to that pick and roll person, or E that broke out to the corner. On the backside, same action. B does a V cut, comes off of the screen from C. C sets the screen, rolls to the basket. Timing. This can't happen over here until D sets the ball screen for A. Once A starts coming off, then that should happen. All right. Timing, timing, timing. I really hope you all are getting this and understanding what's going on.